Hi, let's cook fried rice with me. So, first of all, take the rice of the quantity that you want to cook. I am taking about 300 grams of rice over here. The very first step is to wash the rice. So, fill the bowl of rice with water, wash it once, and then drain out the excess water. This step has to be repeated for at least 4 to 5 times till the time water becomes clear. Then take one pan and put the rice along with about 2 to 3 times the water into the pan and then keep it on high flame. It will take about 10 to 12 minutes to cook. After 10 minutes, you can pull out one rice grain and check if it is properly cooked. Now I'm going to prepare the seasoning. For that, in a utensil, add some oil, add some garlic paste, chili paste, and saute them a bit. After that, you need to add the veggies. I have taken finely chopped capsicum. After sauteing it a bit, you can add finely chopped carrot. After that, add some finely chopped onions. You can take the veggies of your choice. This needs to be cooked for about a minute, not more than that, because we want the vegetables to have a crunch in them. After that, I'm adding some frozen green peas, which I had already put in water for some time. Now add some sweet corns. Mix everything together well and cook for about 1 more minute. After that, add salt as per your taste. Add some turmeric, Kashmiri red chili powder, a teaspoon of red chili powder, a tablespoon of soya sauce, and mix everything together well. After that, we'll just add our already boiled rice to this mixture and mix them well enough so that all the rice gets coated well enough with the seasoning. And here are our delicious fried rice ready to enjoy. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching.